How to package created files into a zip file with Raster Image Printer 12. Whether you are using TIFF Image Printer, Raster Image Printer, or PDF Image Printer, with version 12 of Peernet's image printers, users can package created files into a zip file. This feature allows users to compress all output files into a single zip, 7Z, or tar compressed file format. Begin by creating a custom profile that you want applied during conversion. The profile is a group of settings that will create the output image you want. Double-click on the image printer icon on your desktop to launch the image printer dashboard. If you have removed the image printer icon from your desktop, you will find it by selecting Start and scrolling down to your image printer. Select Edit and Create Profiles. Either create a copy of one of our default profiles or select Add Profile. I will create a copy of the default Color Optimized TIFF profile. Because I still want to create color multi-page TIFF images, I just want to zip created files. Rename the profile to something you will recognize. In this example, I will call it Color Optimized TIFF with Zip and add With Zip Enabled to the description. Go to the Zip tab. Enable Zip created documents into a single file or a sequence of files. Under Path to Zip File, you can designate the default output location for the zip. When this field is blank, your image printer will save the zip file to the same folder as your created files. Select the file icon and browse to your desired output location. If you instead type in a folder name and that folder does not exist, you will see the following warning message. You have the option to select the red folder icon to create this new folder on your desktop or choose another location. In addition, you have the option to set the zip base file name. Leave this blank to use the file name from your created files. Next, select your desired zip type. Select the type of zip file to create. Create New will create a new zip for each print job. Existing zip files of the same name will be overridden. Update Existing adds newly created files to an existing zip when it already exists and creates a new one otherwise. Select the zip folder structure. Selecting Place Files under a specified folder path and leaving the folder path empty means that the zip file will have no folder structure. To match the folder structure to your output files, choose Keep Folder Structure of Output Files instead. You have the option to secure the zip file with a password, customize the zip extension, or split the zip file when it has reached a designated size. The created files are not deleted when the zip action is enabled. To automatically clean up the files, go to the Cleanup Options tab. Enable Delete Generated Output Files on success. This deletes the created output files that were packaged into the zip file, leaving you with only the desired zip file on disk. When you are done making changes, click Save and Back and close the Profile Manager. Select Manage Printers. Beside your image printer, drop the box for the printing profile and select Color Optimized TIFF with Zip as the default profile. Printer management also allows you to rename the printer and create multiple copies of the printer. Close Printer Management and the dashboard. Now when you print to your image printer, each created file will be packaged into a zip file. Try out our Raster Image Printer for yourself and see how easy and effective it really is. Follow the link below to download a free trial.